Hey, did you pay attention to those sounds? If not, watch it again. A pure perfection. Crispy, crunchy, yet unbelievable soft on the inside. It's no wonder these aloo kebabs are attracting a crowd. Want to make them yourself? Follow this recipe to achieve the ultimate crunch, crispy, and soft aloo kebabs only from Foods Memory channel. I am your VJPJ DJ. We'll walk you through the recipe to get the ultimate perfect aloo kebab for all my veg lovers. Guys, let's jump into it to make the aloo kebab. Yeah, to make it aloo kebab, we require the ingredients like maida, rice flour. These are the two flours which makes the combination for those crispy and crunchy taste on the outside. On top of that, we will add the sesame crushed ginger garlic and coriander and curry leaves, fine chopped. Yeah, and then we will mix it nicely and we will do a deep fry in the oil. So what is the softness which brings here is the secret is the softness can be achieved. The one with the first step which you saw is through pre-boiling it or boil it and drain the water. Of course, while boiling it, you should add some salt, otherwise it will become saltless or pika aloo. So let's not do the pika aloo. Let's do a yummy aloo kebab. And of course, you have seen it. I am just telling it now so that you can rewind it and then you can come back at any point of time. Now you mix all this powders to form a paste, having a bit of a consistency. So make sure you add the water as per the consistency what we are showing it, and then whatever the aloo which has been boiled, you cut it and then mix it with this paste and leave it for 10 minutes. Let it get marinated so the masalas whatever is there it gets penetrated inside the aloo, so we get the taste even inside the aloo kebab also. Now it's time to do the kebab in oil. So let's do a deep fry. And here the another secret is we should deep fry it in low flame. So when you do it in a low flame, then you get the perfect crunchiness. Okay, and when you do this frying, make sure the color is turned to golden brown. So that is where it shows an indication that it has been cooked and ready to attract the crowds and even the neighbors, or you can invite your friends and family or any family members have came all of a sudden. You just prepare this. It takes maximum 15 to 20 minutes and surprise them with the greatest aloo kebab and they will wonder how did you make it. You can make it two version of it, one with a kind of a chaat masala and another plain. Both gives a good taste and little bit of a variation with the chaat masala. Now let's listen. You heard it? You got it? Yes. Now let's enjoy this with tomato sauce if it's required, or chili sauce also. Even otherwise, we can have it like that. Kids will love it. I'm sure that they will not leave even a single piece for you guys to taste it. So it's better while you are cooking, taste it. Otherwise, you won't get it. Yes. Okay. Hope you people have enjoyed this recipe and liked it. If so, subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching. See ya.